Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The rules can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Okay. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description. For personal readings and healing session, everything is given below in the description box. And what else? For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. So let's start, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. Today we have the Nine of Pentacles. So someone here is feeling either you are too detached from them and you're working on yourself continuously, and or they feel like they should have a sense of independence even if they're connected to you. Let me clarify this card once and we will see the clear picture. Okay, let's see. Radhe, Radhe. We have the Ace of Cups, the Magician, and the Eight of Pentacles. So someone here is in love with you and they are manifesting this energy of universe. Please help me to put in the effort and energy in this connection to start this connection. Now it could be somebody new around you who is interested in you, who sees you as the one for them because you're independent, you're working on yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you are your own person and they are loving it. So someone here is loving the sense of independence you have, whatever you're doing, and they feel like manifesting this energy of working this out with you. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Okay, they are not getting settled, so let it be. So you feel Knight of Wands. You feel quite attracted to the idea of having something or someone by your side, at least for the time being. You're feeling the pull, the attraction towards somebody. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands here. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Three of Cups. See, so from inside, you are feeling kind of lonely, kind of feeling lost. Lost in the sense that you're feeling certain kind of losses because of the experiences that you had in your love and relationship area. You're not sure whether you are prepared for a relationship kind of a deal. Hmm? But you're very much attracted to the idea of being with someone in your life, but you're not sure about the relationship thing right now at this present moment because of the experiences that you had and you're still going through. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Queen of Swords. Their intention is to remain detached. Their intention is to not to show the emotions here. It's like, I love you, but I don't want to show you that I love you because I don't want to get hurt or something. Let me clarify the Queen of Swords, or maybe I'm scared of the rejection or something. Let me clarify the Queen of Swords here. We have the Devil, the Six of Wands, the Knight of Wands. Uh, wow. See, they want to have you by their side, but they don't want to get too much involved in the situation because they're not sure what's going to come out of this situation. And it's like they don't want to make this situation a toxic one or a situation where both of you are dependent on each other like crazy. They do want this connection, but they don't want to take the responsibility, or you can say they don't want to go beyond a certain level. Wow. Because either they don't want to get hurt, or they don't want to hurt you because they're not sure what is going to come next in the situation. So it's like, okay, so basically I'm telling you I like you, but I don't want to be with you in that way, but I like you. Okay, that's the deal here from this person's side. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? We have the Page of Cups. So from your side, you want somebody by your side who is in love with you, or whom you love. It's not like you just want to be in a connection, maybe for the just maybe just for the sake of a connection deal. Let's clarify the page of cups here. Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and Nine of Cups. Yeah. See, you just want to be happy. You just want to connect with somebody who is going to directly connect with your heart and soul. You don't want to be practical when it comes to the matter of love and relationship, love and heart and soul, right? So you just want to connect with somebody with whom you are going to feel a sense of love and sense of wish fulfillment and sense of, yes, this is the one for me. So you want to connect wherever you are going to feel you should connect. Until that time, you just want to remain with yourself or busy with yourself. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 2nd of Feb, honey, Pisces. King of Wands. So I do see this and kind of energy of either you taking some kind of action or somebody taking some kind of action towards you. Let's clarify the King of Wands. We have the King of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Five of Cups. Oh, it's like one of you is going to get to know something about the other person and it's going to upset the other person here. It's like either two people at the same time you are connected with and or they are connected with, and it's going to upset the hell out of them. And or you will get to know that the person that you're getting attracted to is kind of having somebody else also by their side, and it's kind of upsetting. And they didn't, the problem here is that they never told you about this, or they were not able to tell you about this, or something like that. So some kind of secret is going to come out about a person, about a situation that you're kind of attracted to. It's going to make you feel a little bit upset, but at the same time it's going to set you free and make you understand what you should do and what you should not do again in your love and relationship area. It's basically a test from the universe, you can say. Hard but mandatory. Yeah. For you, the guidance here is the Six of Swords, honey. So you should definitely move on towards calmer water, but you have to let go of the past baggages and whatever experiences and blessings and lessons that you have got till this point in your love and relationship area. It's time for you to implement them in your life now. You are done with the lessons. You are done with whatever lessons you can you can get from the universal side. But now it's a high time for you to implement those lessons. Until unless you are going to implement those lessons in your reality, in your life, universe will keep on testing you. Did you got the lessons? Did you got it right this time? Are you going to do something different this time? So this is the universe's job, and your job is to make it right now. Yeah, hard. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.